Vision Institute of Hotel Management Chamba present different types of vegetable cuts. Brunoise, fine dice. Brunoise is a French cooking term meaning cutting vegetables into small cubes of precise and uniform measurement. This technique is used to cut vegetables into fine dice. The food should be first julienned and turned a quarter and dice again to create 1.5 mm cubes. Some examples are carrots, onions, leeks, celery, bell peppers, and hard root vegetables like beets and turnips. Chiffonade, shredding. It is a French term that means little ribbons. It is a slicing technique used on leafy green vegetables and herbs such as spinach, sorrel, and flat-leaved herb like basil, mint. This technique is accomplished by stacking leaves, rolling them tightly, then slicing the leaves perpendicular to the roll. Now gently separate the shreds using your fingertips, and you will have chiffonade. Julienne allumette matchstick cuts. Julienne is a French culinary knife cut technique in which food items are cut into long thin strips similar to a matchstick. This technique is often used for salad ingredients and green veggies. Some examples are carrot, celery, potatoes, and cucumber. Macédoine, small dice. Macédoine is a French cooking term for a mixture of vegetables. In this technique, vegetables should be cut into a quarter-inch dice. This technique is ideal for soup, salad, and large fruit. Macédoine could be served raw or cooked, cold or hot. A typical fruit macédoine may consist of several varieties of fruit that are marinated in a sweet syrup or liquor and then served cold or flamed from the alcohol in the liquor. Some examples are salads, sauté preparation, soups. Parmentier, medium dice. Parmentier is a medium-size cube cut. It is the same dice style as to make doing just slightly larger around 1.5 cm. Prepare the vegetables as above and then cut into 1 to slices, turn and slice again into 1 to slices. Now from the top slice 1 to cubes. Some examples are salads, sauté preparation. Quart, large dice. Quart is a large size cube cut. Quart means square in French. This cut features cubes with 6 even sides measuring approximately 3/4 inches to centimeters. Some examples are salads, sauté preparation, vegetables like potatoes, and sometimes fruits such as watermelon. Slicing. In this cutting technique, foods are cut into thin and relatively broad slices. This is accomplished by hand or machine. It can be used on meat, vegetables, fruit, cheese, and bread. Some examples are salads, baked, roasts, grills. Mincing. The mincing technique is used where food ingredients are finely divided into uniform pieces. Minced food is normally smaller than dice or chopped. Mincing is the ideal technique for aromatics, such as onion, garlic, and ginger. It is used when a paste texture is required. Some examples are herbs, stuffing, garnish. Crushing. This technique is used to crush food such as ginger, garlic. Some examples are crushing of onion and vegetables. Tourne chateau. This technique is used to turn vegetables into a barrel shape. It is used on carrot, potatoes, or squash that provide a distinctive and consistent to the food items being served. This is used to enhance the appearance of the food when they are served as part of the main course. The cut always needs 7 sides. Some examples are sautéed, poached, boiled, baked.